The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, also known as the legendary G-Wagon, is one of the most recognizable luxury SUVs in the world. With its boxy design, powerful stance, and unmatched off-road capability, the G-Class continues to dominate YouTube searches and car reviews worldwide. Built with a military-inspired foundation and upgraded with modern luxury, the G-Class delivers a perfect blend of strength, prestige, and cutting-edge technology. Step inside and you're welcomed by a premium cabin packed with high-end materials, advanced digital displays, ambient lighting, and the unmistakable feel of Mercedes luxury. On the road, the G-Class offers massive power, especially in the AMG G63 variant, giving you thrilling acceleration, a commanding driving position, and the confidence to conquer any terrain. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring off-road trails, the G-Wagon stands as a symbol of status, success, and pure driving excitement. If you enjoy luxury SUVs, off-road monsters, or extreme performance vehicles, the Mercedes G-Class is definitely a model you don't want to miss. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more stunning car reviews, test drives, and high-quality automotive content. The Mercedes-Benz logo features the iconic three-pointed star enclosed in a sleek, circular ring. The star's three sharp, elegant points represent Mercedes' ambition to dominate land, sea, and air transportation. Its polished silver finish creates a premium, futuristic look that reflects the brand's commitment to luxury, innovation, and engineering excellence. When placed on the front of the G-Class, the logo stands out boldly against the boxy, powerful design of the SUV. The metallic star glows under the light, giving the vehicle a sense of authority and unmistakable identity. Simple, timeless, and instantly recognizable, the Mercedes logo perfectly symbolizes strength, precision, and world-class craftsmanship. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class features iconic round LED headlights with a bright circular daytime running light, giving the SUV a bold and instantly recognizable look. The lights are powerful, sharp, and modern, creating a strong presence day or night while honoring the classic G-Wagon design. Combined with the squared-off body and muscular grille, the headlights help the G-Class stand out as a perfect blend of classic ruggedness and modern luxury. The rear of the Mercedes-Benz G-Class is bold and unmistakably iconic. Its flat, upright tailgate carries the signature externally mounted spare wheel, giving the SUV a rugged, military-inspired look. The sleek LED taillights are narrow and modern, adding a touch of luxury to the strong, boxy design. Combined with the wide stance and solid bumper, the rear end of the G-Class delivers a powerful, durable, and instantly recognizable presence. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class is equipped with large, high-performance all-terrain tires designed for both luxury cruising and serious off-road capability. The thick tread pattern provides strong grip, stability, and confidence on any surface, while the bold alloy wheels enhance the SUV's powerful, rugged appearance. These tires not only boost performance but also complete the iconic, commanding look of the G-Wagon. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class features a premium leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel that feels solid, luxurious, and perfectly balanced. Its thick rim and ergonomic grip give the driver a commanding sense of control, while the aluminum paddle shifters and touch-sensitive buttons add a modern, high-tech feel. The iconic Mercedes star at the center completes the look, making the steering wheel both stylish and powerful. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class features a sleek, high-resolution dual digital display that combines the instrument cluster and the infotainment screen into one seamless panel. Bright, sharp, and customizable, the screen delivers crystal-clear visuals for navigation, driving data, and entertainment. With Mercedes' modern interface and smooth touch controls, the display adds a luxurious, high-tech feel to the rugged cabin of the G-Wagon. The front seats of the Mercedes-Benz G-Class are luxurious, supportive, and crafted with premium leather. They offer excellent comfort with features like power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and memory settings. With a commanding driving position and wide visibility, the front cabin feels both rugged and refined, giving the driver and passenger a true sense of control and luxury. The seats are sculpted for long-distance comfort, wrapping the driver in a firm yet plush embrace. High-quality stitching, adjustable lumbar support, and the signature Mercedes craftsmanship make the front cabin feel like a blend of luxury lounge and off-road command center. The rear seats of the Mercedes-Benz G-Class offer a spacious, upright, and comfortable seating position with premium leather and refined stitching. Passengers enjoy excellent visibility thanks to the tall windows, along with smooth ride quality and solid support on long journeys. Despite the rugged exterior, the rear cabin feels surprisingly luxurious, combining comfort, durability, and the signature G-Wagon prestige. Pamuan Tempti Hoan Bi Pisung. Hey me, T-Man Hun Diggy Try Hun. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class features a wide, bright power sunroof that brings natural light into the cabin and enhances the SUV's sense of space. Whether open for fresh air or tilted for ventilation, the sunroof adds a premium, airy feel that contrasts beautifully with the rugged, boxy exterior. It gives both driver and passengers a clearer view of the sky, making every ride more open, luxurious, and enjoyable.